Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to find missing side and angle using cosine law. At the end of the video, do not forget to like, subscribe and leave comment in the comment section. Now in this triangle, side, angle, side is given. So in a triangle where side, angle, side is given and you have to find out the missing side length, we will always use cosine law. Before I will explain you what is the cosine law, first we will label the triangle A, B, C. These are the angles of the triangle. In front of angle A, this is side A. In front of angle B, we'll take it as a side B. In front of angle C, we will take the side as C. Now, according to the cosine law, if I'm trying to find out what is the length of A, I have to use A square is equals to B square plus C square minus 2BC cos A. It's very easy to remember. A, angle A. Then B and C, those we will use in this particular part. Similarly, if I will write on B square, now I have used B, so what is left? A square plus C square minus 2AC, and what will be the angle? Cos B. Similarly, C square is equals to, now I have taken C, what is left? A square plus B square minus 2AB cos C. Now, in this question, we have to find out A. So, we will take this equation A square is equals to B square plus C square minus 2BC cos A. Now, we will put the values here. A square, in place of A square, I will write on X square is equals to B. What is B? B is 10. So, we'll write on here 10 square. What is C? C is 8. 8 square minus 2 into 10 into 8. The value for angle cos A is cos 60 degree. So we'll write down here x square is equals to 100 plus 64 minus 160 cos 60 degree. Then after that, we will get here equals to 164. And if I will solve this 160 into cos 60 degree, I will get it equals to minus 80. So I'll get it equals to 84. So that means x square is equals to 84. The value of x will be equals to square root of 84, which when you will solve, it will come equals to approximately 9.2 centimeter. So that is how we can find out the missing side length using the cosine law. Now let's understand another example where we have to find out what is the value of an angle. In this question, side is given and we have to find out the missing angle. So when SSS means side is given, in that case also we have to use the cosine law. Now for that matter, we have to first label the triangle A, B and C. So in front of C, it is side C. In front of angle A, it's side A. In front of angle B, it's side B. Now, according to this diagram, I have to find out what is the value of angle C, which is theta. So here I will use C square is equals to A square plus B square minus 2AB cos C. Now I will put the values here, whatever the values are given. So in place of C, 7 square is equals to, in place of A, 5 square plus in place of B, 8 square minus 2 into 5 into 8 into cos theta. So 49 is equals to 25 plus 64 minus 80 cos theta. 49 is equals to 89 minus 80 cos theta. I will take this 89 to this side. 49 minus 89 is equals to minus 80 cos theta. Now we will get equals to minus 40 over minus 80 cos theta. We will take minus 80 to this side. We'll get minus 40 over minus 80 is equals to cos theta. If you will simplify it, you will get it equals to 1 by 2 is equals to cos theta. And theta is equals to cos inverse of 0.5. So when you will calculate it, you will get it equals to 60 degree. That means the value for theta is equals to 60 degree. This is how we can find out the missing side lengths and the missing angles in the triangle where side angle side is given, side is given. For such helpful videos, do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment in the comment section so that more and more students can join my channel. Thanks for watching.